Hi guys, we've got a brand new BMW F70 M135i on the dyno. The guys at Auto ID kindly lent it to us and we brought it to a dyno to see how much power it has. BMW do say that this makes slightly less horsepower than the car it replaced in terms of horsepower and torque. But let's get it on the dyno and see exactly what it's doing. So we've done 6 dyno runs just to get some consistency out of the car, and the highest run we have is 286 wheel horsepower, which translates to roughly 320 horsepower at the flywheel. Now again, I have to reiterate, the dyno is not a tool to measure the absolute power, it just gives us an indication. BMW do quote 300 horsepower for this car, so it's making a little bit more than BMW quote, but we actually have seen that with most BMWs over the past few years. The last time we dynoed the previous generation one of these on our own dyno, it made 296 flywheel horsepower, which is a little bit less than BMW quoted, but that car was relatively new. So overall, I think that's a very respectable figure from a 2-litre turbocharged engine. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please remember to subscribe to the channel and turn your notifications on. If you want to join the conversation, please drop us a comment below and we will do our best to respond to you. And if you're running out of things to watch, why don't you watch one of these two?